Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering what is MFCC, that is Mel Frequency Cepstral Coefficients. Guys, I have uploaded complete speech and video processing subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. MFCC stands for Mel Frequency Cepstral Coefficients. By using this method, computer can understand human voice. Whenever we speak anything, computer cannot understand it directly. For example, whenever I say I am Nagendra, computer don't understand it directly. So MFCC technique will convert our voice into numbers, and based on that numbers, various features are extracted from our speech, like what is person's tone, whether he is speaking in high voice or low voice, whether he is speaking loudly or slowly, his style of speaking. All these features are extracted by using MFCC technique, and based on these features, computer will recognize person's voice. MFCC technique is used in speech recognition, speaker identification, voice assistance like Siri, Alexa, and emotion detection, audio classification. Whenever I speak hello, that hello is identified by using MFCC technique. This is meaning of speech recognition, and each person will speak in different way. So each person's voice is represented in different patterns, and based on that patterns, person also can be identified. That is meaning of speaker identification. For example, in my mobile, I will tell Siri call mom. Automatically Siri will call mom. Mobile will understand my voice because of MFCC technique. By using MFCC technique, emotion can be detected. For example, if person is sad, or if person is happy, or if person is in angry mode, that can be identified by using MFCC technique. And audio classification, that is whether voice is music or whether voice is speech, that can be identified by using MFCC technique. As I told before, MFCC technique will identify person's voice based on features, and MFCC technique will not extract all the features. MFCC technique will extract only important features, and based on that important features, person's voice can be identified. And this MFCC technique will work same like our human ear. For example, in class, my friend is talking to me. So even though there is a lot of noise and disturbance, still my human ear can hear my friend's voice perfectly. That is capability of my ear. My ear will avoid background noise, and it can hear my friend's voice perfectly. MFCC technique also works in same way. MFCC technique will remove all unnecessary features like background noise, disturbance, and it will select only important features like what is person's pitch, whether he is speaking in high voice or low voice, and tone, whether person is speaking loudly or slowly, and his style of speaking. All these important features are extracted, and unnecessary features like background noise features, fan sound features, all these are ignored. MFCC can extract features like frequency information, that is nothing but each person has different frequency. If you consider child has one frequency, and male has one frequency, and female voice has one frequency, and all these frequencies are extracted by using MFCC. And next one is energy, whether person is speaking loudly or slowly, that can be identified. And voice shape, each person will speak in different voice, so shape of sound is different for each person, that can be identified by using MFCC. And speech pattern, each word has different pattern, that can be identified. And changes in voice, that is nothing but how sound is changing from one word to other word, that can be identified. So MFCC technique has capability to extract all these features. Next I will explain steps in MFCC technique, and the first one is pre-emphasis. Yes, for example, if our voice contains high sounds, then there will be some disturbance. So high sounds need to be normalized in order to improve clarity of the speech. That is meaning of pre-emphasis. And second one is framing. Whenever I say I am Nagendra, my speech is divided into various parts. We call each part as frame. So framing means dividing our entire speech into various parts. And third one is windowing. Guys, windowing means smoothing edges for each and every part in order to avoid noise. This is meaning of windowing. And fourth one is FFT, that is fast Fourier transform. This is mathematical method that will convert our sound into frequency, and based on that frequency, system can identify whether sound is high sound or low sound. After applying FFT, Mel filter banks are applied. This Mel filter banks will work same like human ear. It will avoid all unnecessary features and select only important features, and based on that important features, system will understand our voice. And at last, logarithm is applied. That is nothing but if there are any large values in our speech, that large values are reduced into small size, so computer can process the data easily. And at last, system will apply discrete cosine transform. Here final output is numbers. Based on numbers, system will understand our voice. So they will convert our speech into numbers, where system will understand it. This is example. Whenever I say hello by using microphone, system will get that voice, and system will extract the features from our voice by using MFCC technique. And our system already shows some voice patterns, and based on that voice patterns, system will understand voice hello. Next, I will explain applications of MFCC. MFCC is used in mobile voice unlock and Google voice typing, and in call center systems, and in smart assistants like Siri, Alexa, and in emotion detection, and in language recognition. These are advantages. By using MFCC, computer will understand speech easily and data size will be reduced. Accuracy will be improved. That is nothing but whenever I say hello, computer will understand hello correctly. And MFCC technique will work same like human ear. These are disadvantages. Guys, if there is lot of noise, system may not give accurate results. If system want to understand music signals, this is not suitable. If our model is using MFCC technique, then our model needs clear voice.